A guide you to fix Instagram not uploading post. So let's say for any reason your Instagram is not uploading posts, it may take slower or otherwise it is not uploading. So let's say there are few reasons. Firstly, you can go to the Google or Safari, whatever the web browser that you are comfortable with, and you can search for internet speed test. There you can run speed test and you can test for your internet whether it is speed or slow. So mine is good for now, and if it is good and still it is not uploading post, you can search for Instagram down detector. You can search for Instagram down. Sometimes if Instagram is down or having any of the issues with the servers, it may take some time or it won't upload post for some of the reasons. And here you can check for user reports indicates no current problems at Instagram and the servers are good for Instagram. If still happens, all you can do is that you can go to the settings, scroll to the apps, search for Instagram, and if you go here, all you can do is that you can clear data, you can uninstall it and reinstall. This may fix Instagram not uploading posts. Thank you.